what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. The Valvetronic mufflers I was thinking of doing it myself, but after looking at it, I'm like, dude, it's just gonna be too hard. I'm gonna have to weld anyways. So right now we're going to the welding shop. We're gonna see if we can get all this stuff welded for a good price and stuff. I'm kind of excited. I also brought my catless pipes just in case they, maybe I'll ask them again if they like hook it up. It'll be worth it. But other than that, I'm really excited to get these valves in because since I live in California, if I'm going catless, even catback's like sketchy. So I gotta, pretty much just muffle the sound as much as I can, but also be able to unleash all the sound, you know what I mean? So I'm really excited.
How quiet is it here with the valves?
I don't know. That's what we're gonna see. Honestly, like since we have only a catback right now.
Just do it with remote, or can you do it?
Yeah, with the remote.
With the remote.
Yeah. So that's why I'm excited because right now we have a catback, and the catback's loud, but it's not that loud to be like concerned. Cops are not tripping. Yeah. So we have a catback. So putting in valves, we're gonna see how loud it is. I would like to have just a catback just to see how it is with the valves, because I know most people don't want to go catless, right? So we're gonna see. I'm gonna see if I can get a good deal. I'm gonna go catless instantly. But if I don't, then we're just gonna do it another time, which would be good, so we can make a catback video. And then once we go catless, that's what I'm mostly waiting for. Is like how much would it muffle the sound for cats? Because in LA, dude, you'll get like cops will come after you even for like just a little bit, even just like one muffler deleted. So we're gonna see. It's because dude, there's so much air going through. Like we're going straight pipe,
Yeah.
I gotta get something.
Go next one.
Sheesh, bro. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright. Look, the guy hooked it up. We're about to get it done right now, which is even better. I'm excited, bro. I'm excited to get these valves done because I've been overthinking it so bad. I've been thinking me doing it myself is what's stressing me out the most. But we're gonna see right now.
Just going in, bro. We're just going in. Just let him know you do like videos, and he'll let you record. Like.
Hey.
They don't say Hellcat, they don't say nothing.
Let's go. Finally doing it the right way. Oof, dude, it looks so clean. I'm shooting in 4K for this video, so let me know, guys. Let me know how the quality looks. But sheesh, dude. Yeah, because I didn't close it in all the way. I have to use it with the ratchet. Oh shoot. Sheesh, bro. Let's go. We got the valves in right now. Pretty clean setup. You can literally see it close. They're doing a very good job. I'm very proud of it. Sheesh, bro. That's the whole setup underneath, though. Now these guys are doing a really good job. They're making it look really clean. Usually I see some other people do it, and it's like kind of sloppy and like it looks like janky, but it's staying with the setup. Looks so nice. Dude, this car looks so good underneath. That's the cats. See, that's why it's gonna be so easy taking it out, because it's just, dude, I'm so hyped. It's gonna be so easy to take them out. Oh, this is a different setup. Dude, I think the guy that had this before, what? This is a different cat setup.
I'm telling you, it's aftermarket.
The cats? Yeah. I bet you anything the guy went catless. The previous guy first. I'm excited. I'm so hyped. Let's go.
He's doing good too, though.
Gotta get that before. I want to see the setup, lining it up right now. Dude, this one he does such a good job. Look at that. Put the bracket on too, so I don't have to worry about it no more. Let's go. I'm excited. After we're done with all of this, all the cable management has to go through that hole right there, which is like not that hard, but we gotta run the air all the way through here. Somehow make it so it doesn't get too hot also. So we're gonna see. I'm a little bit worried. This kind of stuff stresses me out pretty quick, but I don't know if there's like another hole over there. It doesn't look like it. So we're gonna see. I don't know. But overall, this guy's doing a great job. And it's looking like really clean. It's not like sloppy at all. So that's one thing I'm really happy about. They're doing a really good job. Alright, dude, the valves are done. Let's see how it sounds like. Oh, it sounds like trash.
Oh my god, it's so quiet.
Definitely way quieter before. I need the valves on, so I can't even test it. So we're gonna test it later, but they did a great job.
Yeah, you good? You good, you good.
Way quieter fudge.
It's
Way
so
quieter.
quiet, bro. It sounds like a V6.
It literally sounds like a V6. It's actually
It's a Hellcat. It still sounds like
a good thing, bro.
Oh my god, imagine when
Hey, we're gassing right now. Let's see how it sounds. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. Let's go. I only hear the whine now, dude.
I only hear the wine is so loud.
It's so loud. Dude, that's such a weird. Dude, the exhaust makes it sound scary. But right now, it just sounds like a toy. Oh, I don't hear no exhaust, dude.
Dude, it's gone. The pops.
It works really well.
Oh.
I don't hear the exhaust, bro.
There is no exhaust, bro.
Dude,
They really kill the noise.
Dude, catless is gonna be perfect because it's gonna be obviously louder, but it's not gonna be like, it's gonna be low key.
Bro, it sounds so good.
That's so
You know what's so crazy?
weird.
Because like it kills so much noise that like when you go catless and you turn it off, no cop's gonna like think it's you, bro.
Well, because think about it, right? When you go catless, because there's a wall, it stops the air from blowing out, right? Even just a little bit, it'll make it way quieter. That's why I did it. Oh my gosh, this sounds so weird. I'm not used to it, bro.
They won't even hear you coming, bro.
It's so quiet. I only hear the whine. It's kind of tripping me out right now. Oh yeah.
It's so quiet, bro.
Especially if you like drive in eco mode and you put like low RPM, you won't hear anything. What?
Bro, that whine is louder.
Dude, that's crazy. Well, we can't way quiet, which is amazing. It's exactly what we wanted. Like, it's not like,
Can you do it again?
it's not, yeah, of course.
Okay, no. Do the whole everything you did because my dumbass forgot to click record. It still sounds really clean.
I mean, it's still, obviously it's gonna still sound good, but like, it's not blowing all the air out, you know what I mean? You smell that?
It's because he just welded it. Yeah.
Okay. It's way quiet.
My
way
god.
Quiet. Like, we're next to walls right now, dude. Usually you hear the exhaust from the inside. So, it's way quiet. We're gonna do some flybys, ones that connect the remote and stuff.
I kind of like it though.
It's nice, you can choose.
It's like,
from it.
no, it's like, right now, it sounds like you can just go all the way to like Vegas without like that loud ass rumble in the freeway. It's like just like it sounds like a just chill car.
Way more chill.
No like droning or
All I hear is the whine. All I hear is the whine.
That's what everyone hears too, bro.
I mean, honestly, I love how I have the option now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what makes it so awesome is that I have the option to choose if I want it quiet. Because sometimes I only want to hear the whine.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's way quiet, bro. It's way quiet. Oh, dude, you can't hear crap. Which is great. Which is exactly what we wanted.
Just to drive it without cats right now.
Dude, cats is just the way to go. Going catless is the way to go. But now we're gonna connect to everything, and then we're gonna do some drive-bys, and pretty much we're done with the valves. I'm hyped. All right, so pretty much I just closed it. You don't hear the exhaust at all. All right, now I'm gonna open it. It should be open now. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
But But then again, it's also just a catback, so it's not like a huge difference. You know what I mean? It's difference, but it's not like compared to like not like insane. The catless is more like what's gonna make the difference. So. All right, now we're gonna do a couple flybys, see how things sound. So this is open right now. I'm gonna go in second gear since I can, because this bridge area is like perfect. So this is second gear pull. Okay, I'm gonna close it now, second gear. Yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah, you hear big
It's huge. It's like, because you only can compare a catback to this,
Yeah.
but catless, we're gonna see the big difference. Like, and I'm really hoping it's big, you know?
You should do a video of like all of it.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do like stock. Well, I don't have stock crap, but I have footage of it, so we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah.
But definitely a nice difference. So pretty much, it's the end of the day. This is it being closed. I only have a catback exhaust, just keep in mind. Then this is it open. So the biggest difference you hear, pretty much the biggest difference you hear is when you're gassing it. But at the end of the day, it's only gonna do so much. So realistically, I wouldn't even recommend this kind of setup. If you're gonna go for something that's like you want something quieter, then just go for a mid muffler. If you want something louder, go for a catback. And if you want something extreme, just go straight pipe. This is good to have if you want to turn it on and off, but I don't know, it helps a lot with sound. It helps a lot with like, you know, when you're gassing it, you can just hear the echo. It definitely stops the echo from happening, but I need to really experience it with the straight pipe. But what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have two alternatives. So I'm gonna keep this for testing, just to see how it works. But I also want to get I want to buy another catback exhaust just so I can swap them in and out. And now after brainstorming, I'm thinking about finding like a silencer. So like every time I quick start, because the issue with my family where I live, and people don't like noise. So I'm thinking of like finding remedies. So I think I'm gonna buy like some kind of suppressor. I can somehow insert it like super deep in, like at least like 1 foot long, 2 feet long, and suppress all the sound when I quick cold start in the morning, suppress all the sound when I'm driving around. And all I gotta do is like take out some screws, and that's it. It's back to straight pipe, you know what I mean? So my main goal is straight piping, and I'm gonna try to find some other remedies. For straight piping it. So we're gonna see, it's all experimental, but if you guys wanna get this, make sure you guys use a code. I'm gonna put it in the description. Definitely recommend it if you guys want something to help with how aggressive it sounds. But one thing I will say, and keep in mind, it does take away pops. My car doesn't pop at all anymore ever since I put those in, so that's definitely one thing to keep in mind. We're gonna see once we put the cats in if it changes anything, but